Have you ever had a garden project that just seems just a little out of your reach? I've always had that. It's always been something I've wanted to do, to get an old boat and use it as a garden pond. An amazing habitat for frogs and fish and native swamp plants and all that sort of thing. Well, it's coming true. Let me know your dreams in the comments. I'd love to hear what you'd like to do, even if you've already realized it. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see how this project turns out. So what is the project? The boat behind me is just a cheap boat that we picked up because it's not seaworthy anymore. So we're going to use it to create an amazing frog pond. I'm going to take you through the steps. Today we're painting it because we're going for a mural type look where we can showcase some of the wildlife of this region on the sides of the boat. Let's get to it. Oh, before I go, that's the other thing. We've chosen a spot in the garden where it's really hard to put anything, and there's also quite a steep cliff behind it. So it's also going to serve as a barrier so that people don't fall over the cliff, and it's going to stop guinea grass weeds growing where we have the boat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see updates to this project. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next time we get into it.